Welcome to our tutorial on how to react to a message on Messenger on PC. Let's walk through the steps to easily add reactions to your messages. To begin, head over to messenger.com in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the Messenger website, proceed to open a conversation where you want to react to a specific message. Now, hover your cursor over the message you wish to react to. A set of options will appear, including the React button. Click on React to initiate the reaction process. After clicking on React, a variety of reaction emojis will be displayed for you to choose from. Simply click on the reaction that best represents your response to the message. Congratulations! You have successfully reacted to a message on Messenger. This feature allows you to express your feelings and thoughts in a fun and engaging way during your conversations. Adding reactions to messages can enhance the communication experience and make interactions more lively and expressive. So, next time you want to react to a message on Messenger, remember these simple steps to make your conversations more engaging. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in mastering the art of reacting on Messenger on PC.